snow cover, and wind's perfect. We got a nice northwest wind again. We're set up on the top of this ridge, and we're expecting the deer to be going down to a bedding area just to the south of us here. And so we got a really nice setup. We'll see what happens. Stay tuned. Is incredible. What an awesome, awesome deer. Beautiful. Probably about 130 inch. Beautiful thick rack. It's the first albino I've ever seen while hunting. That's a thrill, especially a big buck like that. Wow. Could you have shot him? Yeah. I could have shot it. Beautiful shot. That was nice. Did that happen fast? Yeah. Unbelievable. I just turned around and there he was. Oh my gosh. Folks, can you believe that? We just saw an albino buck. I mean, I can't tell you how cool that was. That buck just got out of sight. I turn around, and here this nice 8-pointer came walking up right to us. I hope you enjoyed that, because you will just, very rare do you ever get an opportunity to see a nice, big, mature albino buck. I mean, that buck was pulping young. This is my dad. Little memento that I always carry with me. He shot that buck in 1982, gun hunting, on a drive. 3 bucks came out. He shot this one, another buck, and I always carry it with me. It's like bringing him out hunting. He passed away in 1993, sudden heart attack at the age of 47. So thank you, Lord, having this guy here with me all the time. It's awesome. Bring him with every time I go hunting, turkey hunting, deer hunting, muskie fishing. Maybe that's why I'm so lucky. He probably brings those deer right in. Just keep them right in the pocket. Special. Real special. Deer was just on the left side of that tree, about 35, 40 yards. So we're gonna go over there, take a look, see what we can find. Hopefully a little rat on the snow. See the blood on the tree there? Hair, blood. That's a good sign. This is right where I shot, and we've got good sign here. We've got some hair, and we've got a nice little steady stream of blood here. That deer went right straight down this hill, and I lost sight of him right away. Paul actually saw him a little bit longer than I did because I had that puff of smoke in my face. And so we're gonna stay on this trail here and go see what we got. Sweet! My first muzzleloader buck. First muzzleloader deer. Awesome. Absolute beautiful buck. Pretty. Beautiful buck. Really pretty deer. He just thought he could get away from us with the distraction of the albino. I think he knew he had it coming though. He is a nice deer. He's a big deer. He's heavy. Always fun dragging out bucks. I never get tired of it. You ever get tired of dragging out bucks?
Nope.
I don't know many people that do. Especially nice bucks. We're hunting a lease down in Buffalo County, and it's a lease that you guys just got.
Yeah, we actually Dan Ellison secured the lease actually this summer.
Never seen an albino deer in the woods, in the wild like that. And then with this little bit of snow, when you tapped me and said, there's a deer, I mean, I'm looking, I'm like, where is the deer, you know? And that buck was, 45 yards away. He blended in perfect.
I couldn't even find it in the viewfinder. That's why the footage gets a little shaky there. I actually had to shut the screen and try to go to with both my eyes open, keep my eyes on him, and then bring the camera in. And still, until he moved, I wasn't sure I was on that deer. But
that was a real special treat. It's one of the neatest things that I've ever seen in the woods. To see a Popin young albino buck.
Yeah, it is really neat. And I'll tell you,
Awesome.
I think that's the 4th time I've seen that deer, and it's the 3rd time that I've actually videoed that deer. And like you said, that we've also got a nubbin buck and a doe albino that we've seen several times, and we've got video footage of that. But it's just a neat area. There's a lot of good deer down here. It's not really that far from home. I live in Baldwin. Todd lives in Hudson, which is just north here, about an hour and 25 minutes, something like that. So it's real quick to get down here. It's very accessible. There's a lot of good deer. It's just a great piece of property. Well, I was glad I was there for your first muzzleloader kill, Todd.
Yeah, my first muzzleloader kill, and we've got more work to do. We've got beautiful weather, the snow. I mean, it's just so gorgeous out here.
This is unbelievable. I just love it when there's flurries in the air like this.
Let's go get this one registered, grab a bite to eat, and go out and get you a big buck.
Well, okay.
Thanks,
Good
Paul.
job, man. Awesome.